Graphic design has been one of the most creative skills in the world. As you can see, people do a lot of graphic design across the globe, from photo editing to customization, to logo creation, to modeling, to animation, all are part of graphic designs, to 2D, to 3D and 4D modeling. So if you get to understand this vividly, you will have to understand that graphic design is very important in day-to-day life activity. From your bed to the bedroom to whatsoever you're doing, you should get to understand that graphic design have dominated the whole aspect of human life. So if you want to be part of this trend of being a good graphic designer, there is no harm in trying. You can actually become a good graphic designer. No one was born a graphic designer, all learned. So we all bring in ideas and others came to learn from the ideas that have been gathered. So you shouldn't feel left behind if there are still chances for you to learn to be a good graphic designer. There's no harm in trying. You can become a good graphic designer by just giving it a little time to put in more practice and learn from resources that have already been kept on ground for you to come learn from. Don't feel too shy to learn. Don't feel it's too late for you to start. It's never too late. You can start and become a professional in it with just a short period of time. There is no harm in trying. So the best thing you can do is to just go online, look for resources that have already been kept on ground for you to come learn. Professionals have done researches and have kept things on ground for beginners, amateur, or people that want to start to come learn. So there is no harm in trying. So the best thing for you to do is to join us as we're moving on in the graphic design trend. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as you follow on the trend, as I'll be dropping new and trending videos on how to be a good graphic designer from beginner to become a professional. No matter your stage, you can still start. No knowledge is wasted. So please join us here on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, to become a good graphic designer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Peace.